All right, everybody, we're going to be going into this MotoStars video, but if you want to practice your slow speed drills and get better at riding, get the digital drill booklet, and links in the description for that. It's 15 bucks. And if you want to give your contact information, that's cool. Oh, side of the vehicle. Swerve. Swerve back. Swerve back.
Holy.
Good job, dude. Good job. Let's take a look at this. So we have the side of the vehicle coming up. Oh, geez. So at this point, remember, we're planning a ride, position for safety. We're in a position that we're already in. We got to locate this hazardous situation. Found it. Assess, yes. Navigate. Oh, we're going to have to do something. This is going to be a red stage maneuver. We got to do something. So we have an escape off to the right. We have an escape path off to the right, which is going to be the other lane. And yes, that's the gap that's closing, but the trailer is not going to allow you to have any gap. They're going to take up the whole thing. So braking maybe could help. Not really, because now we're going to probably run into the back of the trailer. So we're going to have to utilize our bike's acceleration, and we're going to have to swerve. This is a very important, actionable moment. You have to do something or you're going to crash because of a dum-dum. But it is what it is. I'd rather be alive. So right here, so he swerves, and so you swerve really hard. And if you maintain this trajectory, you're going to go off-road. So once you swerve hard, you're going to have to swerve back. Okay, remember that. So this is where it gets people. It's like they swerve hard, they look back, and they're like, oh, all pissed off. And then they look forward, and they're still going off-road. So swerve, then swerve. This is super important. So now he's swerving back. So good job, man. Good job.
Holy.
And he's using a Pack Talk Edge right there. 10% discount. Link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps out the channel because this is probably demonetized. Let's move on.
Oh.
He got mad I was passing everyone. Yeah, some people just get upset because, oh, he gets to do what I can't.
Right there, he starts turning in. Boom, try to freaking block.
There you go. Good job braking, because that dum-dum did that. He wants to turn right. Okay. It's kind of the situation, but we can go ahead and move through because we're on a bike. Perfect.
Here we are.
Here we go.
Highly
Open lane pattern, maybe.
The
vehicle doesn't want to be behind that vehicle.
Rider's attention.
Okay. We're assessing. Not necessarily. Ooh. Should not be seeing headlights in a windshield in our lane. Okay. Side of the vehicle. Almost hits that person. So it wasn't just us about to T-bone them. They almost hit and T-boned somebody else. That was a dumb driver that almost caused 2 different accidents. So I wait here to let the bus turn, and then I get beeped at. Okay. What's happening here?
Stupid. Shut up, man.
So you see how like honking the horn or rev bombing will escalate it. So just even that honk to this person on the motorcyclist is like, you're an idiot. So this is why I don't do that. I don't rev bomb or honk at people. I just kind of wait. The only time I honk is if they're quite literally sitting there and it's been green. It's almost about to be red. First crash. Uh-oh. Oh, just lost traction on that front tire. Probably street tires on, off-road. Not the best traction. All right, what are we stopping here? What's uncommon? Okay, so it's hazards. Oh, there's people on the side of the road. That's not good.
Is it your bike?
There's a crash. Time to rescue, but it looks like everybody's up and moving, so we're good. Remain calm. Make sure you're safe. Look at that bike.
Where do you go with it?
I don't know, if I'm honest with you. I don't want to put it on the road, but...
Getting out of the way a little bit, isn't it? But...
That's probably going to have to be towed or, like, put on a trailer.
Just moving it forward.
Yeah.
Oh, it moves. That's good, but it's not going to run, I don't think.
Just see, we got any...
He made it through there, huh? Made it through a little hole. That works, because then it adds more surface, so it won't sink in. All right, driver just drifted to the right and hit the traffic lights, causing the vehicle to park on its roof. Okay. So roll over. What do we got here? Might have to rescue. We're riding. Good position. You got good line of sight. Good space cushions left and the right. Oh, geez. So hit the pole. Flippity floppity. Could have lacerations on the arm. Might have to stop any bleeds. Ensure your own safety so you don't get hit from behind. Yeah, you don't want to get hit from behind. Call, I think over there is like 999. I don't know, 911 here, just to get traffic and cops, all that stuff.
Signaling on ensuring the driver.
Ooh, this is kind of
slightly surprising this rider.
Ooh, a little dangerous. Don't like it. Don't like it. I mean, traffic's moving. What's the rush? They're switching lanes. They didn't. They don't know that you're there. They're not. Pay attention. Both hands. Both hands. Both hands. Look forward. Look forward. Look forward. Look forward. Look forward. Pay attention to what's in front. Look at that. Almost. Oh, okay. All right. Moving on. Try not to pause this one. You guys said you like that. You like it when I pause or don't pause? Good job recognizing, applying the brakes. Good progressive braking. All right. So we're lane splitting. Watch out for any. Oh, geez. They wanted to switch over. Open lane pattern. We almost hit them. It's a good job moving over. Some e-bikes. They got a little sure on. Yeah. This is fun. I love e-bike. Oh, he's gonna practice his wheelies. Up and over. Left shoulder possible. Yeah, it's just one of those risks. If you can find gear. Downhill mountain biking gear is really good. Okay. They just moved over. You moved over. Cool. Moving on. Non-issue at this point. Just look for those open lane patterns. Fat Biscuit, that's the name. Okay, watch out for pedestrian. He's in the road. We have somebody merging over. Apply the brakes. Good progressive braking. Open lane pattern. Don't know if they were supposed to do that. I don't know the laws here. It said buses only. Okay, side of the vehicle. You see how you don't have to stop? You can just slow down enough to allow the vehicle to move on. So good progressive braking is going to help you in a ton of situations. Okay, side of the vehicle, once again, you might have to move over. But braking works too. Those are both escapes that you can do. So good job paying attention, planning your ride, locating these. Okay, so we have a turn. Watch out for this truck wanting to move over into your lane. They always like to do that. Yep. They never like... Vehicles don't like to stick to, let's go back to this. Vehicles don't like to stay in their lane. You see these lines right here? They don't do that. Like, you're supposed to stay in the lane on the turn, and they always like to switch over. So whenever I'm like merging like this or I'm turning like this, I'm always staying in my lane and then staying staggered. Like, there's no rush to get through, especially when you have like vehicles on the side to kind of protect you. And so when I get straight, then I can make decisions. But these people, they don't do it. They don't do it. They don't switch over. So accelerate at this point or apply the brakes. Best you can do.
That's your lane.
Thankfully, the horn worked on that. Track attack. All right, watch out merging into you. Okay. Non-issue. Move over. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. They're probably going to turn right up here pretty soon. Wasn't paying attention. You saved yourself. Okay, what do we got here? Is this person getting into an accident? So it's going to be green light. They're going to go, oh, what are you doing? Uncommon thing in a common situation. What are you doing, buddy? You do know 3 rights make a left. And at this point, yeah, 2 rights would give you the U-turn ability. There's just some people that think they can do whatever they want. It's frustrating. Okay, they accelerated through. Non-issue. They're in front now. Don't have to deal with idiots. Don't do this because now your space cushions left and right are screwed. Just kind of let them be dumb. Let them be dumb. Natural consequences will play a part in their life at some point. Now we're in front and we're escalating a little bit. All they have to do is tippity tap your back tire and then you're underneath the car. That's why I like having them in front. Have them in front. So I can adjust my speed and position based on how dumb they are. And then it's like extra practice. What do we got here? She's on her phone. She's playing Wordle. Henry Lamb. Here we go. Right turn. Oh, over the tracks, but we hit a road surface hazard. Lost a little traction. Was that like a metal Metal grate that we went over? No, just terrible road. Terrible road. Lost a little traction. Did we cut in front of somebody too? Okay, so we were lane filtering and splitting or whatever. And so then we accelerated to get in front of this vehicle to make this turn. So we accelerated into the turn into some road surface hazards. Thankfully, he didn't crash over the trams, and we're moving on. Side of the vehicle coming out. Okay, orange stage, prepped and ready. Good job with the brake, and watch out for this dum-dum. But we made it through. Accelerate, get ourselves out of there, move on. Good job. Beautiful view. Beautiful view. Oh, how fast were we going? Let's go back. There's a cop. 124. Go fast, eat ass. Okay, here we go. Yeah, you already got pinged. Radar's radar, buddy. He saw you way back there. What's gonna happen?
Oh, nah, bro. I'm getting pulled over.
Yeah. He's not gonna pull over those people that are going like 5, maybe even 10 over. But if you're going 123 in a 70, that's criminal speeding, guys. Your bike's gonna be impounded.
Hello.
Corporal Dukes, stopping you for your speed.
Yes, sir.
He knows.
Aware. I knew I f***ed up as soon as I came over the hill.
Yeah, it looks like you're trying to change lanes, but your traffic, man, that heavy, 90 miles per hour, that's not safe.
Yes, sir. I know.
All right, you get your driver license, insurance card with you?
I do. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I have my motorcycle permit, but it's expired.
Gotta get it updated.
Yes, sir.
Oh, geez.
Just got a permit, right?
Yes, sir. I know. And I think my insurance is in my bag. Okay.
What's up with everybody having like expired licenses? They're doing this on their permits, and those are even expired or revoked or whatever. And it's like, at some point, when are you gonna learn not to do this?
All right. We're gonna figure all this out, okay?
Okay.
So you got a permit, it's expired. So technically you can drive.
Yeah.
Not up here on the interstate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm just finish my paperwork. Yeah, I'm gonna be cited for a couple of things. I'll explain those when I get to them. Did you find your insurance card?
I got it. Yeah.
All right, boss. Sorry you had to meet like this, but like I said, I'm not trying to hammer you.
It's fine.
See these things get taken care of. We'll be operating a little more safe out there.
Yes, sir.
He was nice about it.
Yes, sir.
Nice about it.
All things considered, man, he was a really, really cool cop. You know.
Usually they match your energy. So if you're not like abrasive and argumentative, they're gonna match that. But if not, woo-wee. Thank you, MotoStars, for putting this video on. You guys, make sure to grab a digital drill booklet. We have the booklets coming in this weekend, so you can get a physical one. Go to links in the description for any of the sponsors. Helps out the channel because we are going to get demonetized probably for this video. With that said, I hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you on the next video.